Simulation. The ability to predict the behavior of designs before ever spending the money or time building a prototype has transformed the engineering world. It is incredible. My name is John Duffin, and I am one of the technical experts here at MLC CAD Systems. I'm going to talk to you about one of our popular courses, SOLIDWORKS Simulation. There's a common phrase in simulation that says garbage in equals garbage out, meaning that getting good and accurate results is dependent on your ability to use the software and to evaluate what good inputs and assumptions are. This simulation class gives you an in-depth base on how to use SOLIDWORKS simulation and the applicable theory so you can have confidence in your analysis. This 3-day course can be taken in person or as an online live instructor-led course. There are two main prerequisites of the class. Students are expected to have taken our SOLIDWORKS Essential course or equivalent SOLIDWORKS CAD experience, and to have at least a basic level of mechanical design experience. So let's take a sneak peek in some of the topics that are covered during the course. We will start by learning the basic theory and the analysis process on a simple part so you can know how to navigate the SOLIDWORKS simulation interface and set up basic studies on your own. During the course, we will dive deeper into common pitfalls and how to identify them, such as singularity, stress concentrations, overly stiff boundary conditions, and mesh quality. All of this so you can have confidence in your results. You'll learn how to set up more complex problems, such as adding contacts and connectors. You also learn how to reduce the amount of time it takes to solve a study without sacrificing accuracy of results by utilizing symmetry or using different types of meshes. During this course, we will only be running linear static studies, which is the most common type of study, but we will overview general signs to know when more complex simulations are needed and make you aware of other courses available to learn how to run those studies. Overall, this course is focused on getting you the needed simulation skills to be independent. So throughout the course, there'll be lots of practice exercises to help hone in your skills. The streamlined process of SOLIDWORKS simulation allows designers to run analysis early in the design process and avoid expensive mistakes and lost time. At the end of the class, you will be able to run analysis on your own parts. If you want to learn more, please check out our course offerings at our website that is linked below the video, and reach out to your local representative to get a full syllabus and more information about this course. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in class soon.